I'm Geeta Shetty. At present, I'm working for Indian Education Society. I joined Anjuman Islam B.Ed College, Washi branch in 2003, 4 batch. It was a huge batch with 80 students, and when we joined together, it's about a wonderful 1 year. I don't know how it went off, but yeah, the teachers were there. Like Asma Sheikh ma'am was there, Salim sir was there. They were the torture bearers who used to tell us about the values, ethics, and the life, and how to teach and how to engage the classroom. So in those periods when the NAC committee over here for the accreditation, Asma ma'am used to take me to various projects and all. So I learned during that period what is NAC committee. Now today at present they are telling the state accreditation committee for the school. Those experience helped me how to write up the things in the past. And after completing my education, I went for the various institute. It's about the state board, CBSE board I worked. Then at the end I dropped at the state board. With the different variations, schools and the boards helped me to learn a lot, different kind of teaching. So it's a continuous process. From there, then when I started my presenting the paper in college, Asma used to give me the call, please present the paper for the university level and all. So I attended so many things. Now I write my own book with my own experiences with my students. So Teacher Connecting the Dots, that is there in Amazon. And I wrote the Head to Heart Part 1 and Part 2, which gives the scientific perspective to the mythological stories. And whatever the emotion, today I feel that there is a head, thought and action. It should be similar as a teacher, and sympathy and the empathy. And the emotion plays a major role in children's growing up ages, because today everything is affecting the children. Particularly about, if we'll talk about the social media, it's the biggest, maybe the boon, again as well as some had a bad effect, because we don't know what the content carries. And the children, very small children, due to the COVID period, they got the mobile in hand. And it is creating the lots of hurdles. Now parents are busy in mobiles, children are busy in mobiles, and school is busy because they have to be the digitalization. In that continuous circumstances, we can say that there are something is missing. That is the emotions. So we are enjoying the life, but we don't know what is the enjoyment means. We lost the somewhere values, because whatever they are giving the values through the social media, it is impacting the child's brain, and it is indirectly affecting the nations. It is affecting the society. So I think it's our duty parallel to create a global citizens who can compete in the world and be a better human being. That's what is college and what is the B.Ed. The teacher role has multiplied. Not only a teacher teaching, but thought-provoking and teaching them the use of technology in a thoughtful way. You can utilize it, but in a thoughtful way, and you have to take only the good things out of that. You have to drop out all the bad things. This is what the need of the hour. That's it. I can say thank you once again, Anjuman Islam B.Ed College, Washi, and all my teachers who made me. So thank you for that.